Alright, y'all, I'm back. Now, we're going to start disassembling the frame now. Completely stripping it down. As you can see, it's bare ass right now. So, let's go ahead and pop the spring. It goes in just like that. Then we can take, well, let me see. Does this come out now? I think it does. Nope, not yet. Safety needs to come out first. So, let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, make sure you drive that pin out toward the south. That is the way. That thing's nasty. Here we go, just like that. Pry it loose and then slide it right off. Pretty cut and dry. Alright, so there. Alright, that's the little detent that they were talking about. Right, so we gotta make sure this does not shoot out of this frame. This little detent right here. Make sure it doesn't go shooting when you remove this pin, the safety pin. So let's capture that. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see. Okay, I see. So this can come this way. Now we can take and walk our trigger bar out to the side like so. And we should be able to take this right on out, just like that. Success. Alright, so now my trigger is loose. Now we should be able to get this safety bar out. So yeah, just make sure you push down on this little detent here. And if you do release it, make sure it's facing the wall so it doesn't get lost. Might be a... But actually, you know what? Better tool for this job? Let's get the needle nose on it so we can actually grab it. How about them apples? Just think about that. Alright. Safety shaft is out. Now let's go ahead and pull this detent. Ha, gotcha. Alright. Ooh, that thing's tiny, boy. We lost that. Might run into some troubles here. Alright, now we're going to take the slide lock out. So let's go ahead and rotate this up. Pull this out a little bit. Now we need to get this spring off of here. So I guess let's see, maybe we need to do that first, huh? Almost had that, huh? Alright, I think we can. Oh, there it is. Came out a little too quick though. Alright, well, here's the spring slide lock. See how filthy it is. Tree bar, all safety stuff there. Alright, so that's out. I reckon we can go ahead and get this trigger out now, huh? What y'all think about them apples? Look at that. You don't even have to use the hammer. Coming right out. Alright, so. Yep, there goes the spring. Yeah. Alright, so. Is that where it was hooked? Yes. Really don't know. Let's see if that is the way to do it. Or it's like that. Yeah. We'll cross that bridge when it gets here. Lower, so making a note right now. These two pins right here, they need to go out the left side. These two pins right here, these come out the right side. And this pin here will come out the left side. Mainly since, you know, there's a little clip right here. And then we've got the mag catch we still need to get out. Okay. This end, the open end. You got one end that's squeezed a little bit more so than the open end. Your squeezed end goes in first. On both of these, it goes in this such manner to the right. Same way. Now comes the ejector from those two pins. Alright, I think it just went through. Yeah. So why is this significant to the 18, 19, and 20-year-old fighter? Because if you want to argue that the historical tradition of gun laws... I'm not sure where did that go. Listen carefully, folks. Listen carefully. If you want to argue what the anti-gunners argue... Alright. Where the fuck did that clip go? That's nice. Oh, ha. Never mind. It's still on there. Okay, so. Ooh. Oh, that. Oh, shit. Behave, Yoda. Alright, so yeah, so I released the spring, and that came out its little slot right here. And of course the hammer and its spring damn near shot out, but we didn't lose anything. Praise the Lord. Everything is here. That must be the pinhole there. Alright, that's nice. Oof, yeah, that thing is filthy, y'all. Wow. Alright, we're taking out hammer spring and the rod connector, I guess. Back momentarily. Alright, so making a note that, alright, so the trigger bar and the trigger operates that right there. Alright, so that spring right can't get really a good good picture on it. Let's see. Yeah, I can't get a good shot on this at all. Anyway, that spring sits in this channel right here. That's trigger bar spring right there. That pin goes through it. So, I guess we're going to take that out next. And then remember, these pins come out the right side, not the left. Oops. We didn't even need to, didn't even need to hit that one. Oh. All right. Cool. Alright, there they are. Just like that. That's how it sits in there. The short end faces upward. That pin goes through right there. Keep those together. I'm sure y'all figured out by now, this is my first full disassembly on a Beretta 92 style frame. Alright, let's go ahead and get this last pin out and figure out what in the world that does. I guess this is something that's going to go right here. Let's see if this will push right out. Oh, that's too small. The one just a smidgen bigger. About that there. Just needed some extra love tapping. I was being a wuss about it, huh? See what's in the capsule. What's in the capsule? Oh. It's empty. Alright. That is filthy. Nasty. Look at all that grit up in here. Ooh. Alright. This pin goes in from right to left. Wide side right. Skinny side inward to the left. Just in case someone forgets. Like me. Alright, so that there. So that is there. Let's stick these together here. No, you stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. All right. We'll be back. All right, so apparently my eyes were not playing a trick on me when I thought I saw this ring sitting right there. So make a note, that's got to go back in right there. Now we're going to tackle getting this spring out because it won't come out under its own power. So we're going to have to persuade it just a little bit. Let's see if we can get this thing started and get this out. Okay. All right, there we go. Got a little bit of protrusion right in there. All right, so that came out right up the top there. You can't lose that. That's got to go in before the safety goes back in. That goes with the safety stuff there. Keep it with the plunger. So, the only things that are left on here to get off is the magazine catch and this takedown lever. And I'm going to have to figure out how that thing comes apart because I haven't figured that part out just yet. So, oh, wait a minute. I got it. I got it. It's a certain keyway. Okay, cool. All right. So, obviously you all know to take the slide off, you got to push this button and drop this lever down. Pop the slide off. Okay. So, what I just figured out, to take the lever out, depress the button, push the lever up while you're pulling it out. Like that. Pull it out to the left. Remember, you got the slot right here. Be careful, because there's your button right here. And this Oh yeah, watch them springs right there. Or that spring, so be careful pulling this apart. Don't lose that spring. So you got the actual pin, which the slotted end goes upward, and on the left side goes in from the right, obviously. And there is your little spring. So let's match these up and see what they look like. And let's see, they are, don't lose it, ding dong. These are identical springs. So that's a good thing, just in case you get them mixed up. But not really. You can't get them mixed up because this one's a little springier than this one. This one's a little stiffer. And so make a note that the safety spring is stiffer than the slide release spring. So keep those separate. Well, that's really odd. Alright, I'll turn it back on. Alright, so let's see. Which way did he turn that thing? Clockwise or counter?
Automatic counter.
Counter, yep. Look at that. Look at that.
I thought that's what it was. That's what I was saying, remember?
Yeah, you did mention that.
I said it was kind of like an AR catch release. It screws
Right, alright, so we got that. Alright, y'all. Y'all saw how easy that was on this magazine catch. You just push it from the left all the way out to the right, and then you unscrew this little thing right here on the right side of the frame. You spin this lefty-loosey, counterclockwise. Be careful not to lose the spring right here. Very critical. Don't do it. Alright, well, she's stripped. She's ready for a final cleaning. And then, pretty her back up. Stay tuned. We'll be back. So we've got the barrel, the slide, and the trigger in some CLR, and we're gonna let that soak for a while and go from there. I did dilute it, however. I didn't do 100% CLR. I did like a 60-40 split, 40% water. So no, I did not do it scientifically. I did it eyeball-typically. So I think we'll be all right.